Welcome to Dr. JPSC. I am Jaya and I have done my master's in geography, qualified UGC NET, and I am also university gold medalist from Patna Women's College, Patna University. And today it's the first lecture of this series of Geography of India, and I'll be taking a very short introduction on this topic. So let's move on without wasting much of our time. This is the lecture 1, India Introduction. So, what it comes in our mind when we think of India? Its diversity, its culture, its population, its extension. India is located in the South Asia, the largest continent, and it's the seventh largest country, bordered by Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan to the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east. And the southern tip we have Indian Ocean, with Arabian Sea to the southwest and Bay of Bengal to the southeast. This is the map of the world, and here we have India. So we can see it is situated in the Asia and in the southern part. The next is latitude and longitude. So it's basically in the northern hemisphere and in the within the eastern part. The latitude and longitude extension is 37 degree 6 minute north to the 8 degree 4 minute in the north to 97 degree 25 minute in the east and 68 degree 7 minute in the east. The next is boundaries. So in the north, Himalayan ranges forms a natural barrier with neighboring countries like China, Nepal and Bhutan. In the west, Pakistan is situated here along the Thar Desert and the Punjab Plains. Eastern part, we have Bangladesh and Myanmar. And in the southern part, we have Indian Ocean with Pak Strait, Gulf of Mannar separating it from Sri Lanka. This is the map of Indian Ocean region. So we have here Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and the next is this is the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar, which separates India from Sri Lanka. The next is the bordering countries. So, India Pakistan border, here we have that is 3323 kilometers long. And then we have a short border with Afghanistan that is 106-kilometer long. Then we have India China border that is 3488-kilometer long. The next with Nepal, 1751 kilometer. And we have the longest border with Bangladesh, that is 4996.7 kilometer. And here we have border with India and Bhutan, 699 kilometers. Again, moving to the coastlines, we have a coastline of 7516.6 kilometers in the Indian Ocean region. And the area of India is about 3.28 million square kilometers, making it the seventh largest country in the world by land area. Then we have done with the neighboring countries. Let's move on. The most important topic of this video is the strategic importance of India. So, India's strategic location in South Asia places it at the crossroads of trade, culture, and interaction between East and the West. It is located in the central location, and major trade routes connecting the East and the West make it a vital hub for global trade and commerce. So, India is located in the middle, or like we can say in the center, and it connects the East and West. And the next is Indian Ocean axis. So, we have a very big coastline and proximity to critical sea lanes in the Indian Ocean. India plays a pivotal role in maritime trade and security. The next is gateway to the South Asia. As the largest country in the South Asia, India serves as a cultural and economic anchor for the region. So, this is all about the brief introduction on India. We'll be doing this whole geography of India in the short videos.